Hi, video guy here. So when next someone asks you how much can I earn on Fiverr, how much money can I make monthly on Fiverr, please show them this video. This video is proof. So right here, let me adjust my mic. So right here, the first month I made $656. The second month is $1842. This next month $1174. The next month 2120. The next month 2256. The next month 796. The next month 1590, and so on and so forth. Okay, this is actually a throwback, just dated few years back. Okay, but if you are serious about making money on Fiverr, and this is proof that you can actually make this amount of money on Fiverr, and if you are patient enough, I don't want people that once they open an account the next day they are looking for orders. No, if you are impatient, please, this video is not for you. But you are patient enough and are ready to put in the work, then watch this video to the end, because I'll be showing you top 10 all-time gigs. Okay, all-time gigs. I mean the best-selling gigs of all time. I've studied this system called Fiverr for years, and I know the gigs that sells the most, and this is what I'm going to show you in this video, so you key into these gigs and make much money from your hard work on Fiverr. Okay, so without further shalaye, let's roll the intro. Okay, so welcome everyone. I know you're here to learn about the 10 best-selling gigs of all time. You must have heard this over and over again, but why I want to show you this is that if you watch the screenshot I showed you here, you see that I just like in this month where I made $2,256, I just have 12 orders. Then in this month I just had 15 orders and made that much. That means I'm making up to $100, more than $100 per order. Okay, so this is why you should know, like you should watch this video to the end so you learn about the 10 best-selling gigs of all time. It's very, very important. It's not all gigs that you open on Fiverr, you keep on getting 20 orders and still not make up to $100 in a month. Okay, so this is why you need this video. So let's get started right now, please. But if you're watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed on my channel, please go over here and click on the red subscribe button. I appreciate that a lot. Don't just watch and go, please click on the subscribe button. I would say like this video, like my videos. It will help tell you too that I'm doing an amazing work. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So let me go over to Fiverr. Okay, so I'm on Fiverr right now. So and I'm on the selling part of Fiverr. So the first niche, there are so many niches on Fiverr. I don't know if you noticed, there are so many niches. Like there's graphic design niche, there are so many of them. There are so many. So the first niche is graphic design and graphics design niche. So under this niche, I want to show you the hottest selling gigs of all times on this niche. Okay, and why they are hot selling. The first one is logo design. Okay, let's go over to Fiverr for instance. Okay, and go over to logo design. Why I chose logo design? Why I know even that I chose? Why I know that logo design is one of the hottest selling gigs of all times on Fiverr, and why it should be there is that if you go on this particular logo and gig service, okay, the gigs on the front page, like these ones, and these ones, down the first page, you will see that. Let's open one of them. This is for just $30. Let's open up one of them. Okay, let's open a couple of, oh no, this is a top retail seller. Okay, anyway, let's open up these two. Okay, so I want to show you something. This person has 5 orders in queue. Watch. This person has 10 orders in queue. Let's open up this again. Okay, this person has 5 orders. We already seen this one. 10 orders in queue. Let's see again. 14 orders in queue, and we can go on and on and on and keep on checking. You will see these niches, they have so many orders in queue. Watch. And this person has, I don't know when he joined Fiverr. He joined Fiverr this January, and he has already amassed up to 318 reviews. So why you should go over this niche, why this is one of the hottest niches, that there are a lot of buyers requests, there are a lot of demands for logos, there are a lot of them. And also you can see the charge. This is not peanuts. Someone is charging 40, someone is charging 100, someone is charging 75, and so on and so forth. So you can queue into this, and trust me, you won't regret it. You won't regret going into logo design. So the second gig is portrait and caricature, still under graphics niche. Okay, so if you go under graphics and this niche, you come down here, portraits and caricature. This is another hot niche. This is another hot niche that you should go into. If I keep on opening up these, like I showed you, you'll see that there are so many. Each and every one of them has so many orders in queue. I mean, look at it, over 1,000 reviews here, 1 to 2 reviews here, and so many. Like, there are so many. Watch, let me show you. This person has 11 orders in queue. You see, this person has 11 orders in queue, and so many. So this service, if you can't draw, you can download an app called sorry, let me type that app for you. Where is my docu? Voila. Okay, you go over to Google Play Store and type this app, Voila. Okay, it's on Google Play Store. Download it, and you can easily offer this gig on Fiverr. Okay, this particular app, download it. All right, so the next one is cartoon and comics. It's still the same category, cartoon and comics, just the same thing. But trust me, this particular gig is very hot. Still the same thing, but it's a quite different thing for artists. Okay, so go over, sign up on this gig, sign up on this gig, and keep driving traffic to it. All right. Then the next gig the next category you should talk about or take note of is writing and translation. Is one of the hottest niche of all time. If you are lacking in order, if you want to keep getting orders, this is a niche you should go into, writing and translation. And under this writing and translation, we have article and blog post. Okay, so let's go over here and open up writing and translation. This is the niche. Article and blog post, this is it. Let's open it up so you guys can see what I mean. Okay, so this is it, article and blog post. There are so many. If I keep on opening it, there are over 59,000 services. Okay, so there is a lot of competition here, though. There's a lot of competition here, so you might want to but I'll show you where there's less competition. Okay, but nevertheless, if you do your SEO well, you can also rank very well on this niche. Okay, you can rank very well on this niche. You can. I think there is a blogger that makes a freelancer that makes over $23,000 from this particular niche. Alex, if you guys know him, she makes that much from this particular niche. I don't know if you can see him here. Her here. Okay, she's not on first page again. I would have shown you her profile. Okay, so this niche is very hot, although there is a lot of competition, but there is a lot of orders to go around too for those that are under this niche. Okay, writing, and we talk about article and blog posts. Then another niche under article and blog posts I want to take care of, or I want to sign up under, is book and ebook writing. Okay, and this niche is so hot. I have a friend and a student that is doing well under this niche. Let me open it up and show you. And there is less competition in this niche. Trust me, look at, there are just 18,906 available services. There is less competition compared to other niches. Okay, so Nigerians, if you check, okay, so this is the lady I'm talking about. This lady has made up to like $1 million on Fiverr. This is her profile, and she's on the front page for years. For years she has been here. You see how many orders? Okay, she doesn't have orders here, but they have. You see, buyers keep returning for so that's an exceptional repeat buyers, and her basic is $400 for just 2K words. So you should key into this book writing. Sorry, there are a lot of Nigerians here and so many other countries though. Okay, so please, this is another niche you want to look into. This is another niche, the book and ebook writing. There is less competition, Go over here, sign up, do your SEO well, and trust me, with your patience and resilience, you should be getting orders very quickly on this niche. Okay, then moving on to another niche, we have website content, still under this writing and translation. Trust me, this is one of the hottest selling this thing. Website content, where is it? More or less competition too. I've studied this system for long, and I know what works and what not works. This is it, 10,000 available service here, and there is a lot of orders to go around on this niche too. There's a lot of orders on this niche. So do your homework, sign up here, do your gig SEO, your research, and all of that things that you need to do. And trust me, you should be getting orders. Okay. Then the next niche is digital marketing. Digital marketing. This is another category on Fiverr that does well. The gig under here is video engine and video optimization. You might want to look this up. Videos engine optimization and search engine optimization, SEO. Okay, this is talking about bloggers, those that would like their website to rank. This is a service. If you know how to do it, please sign up on Fiverr. This, you have so much order and so much earning potential on Fiverr. Okay, then the next one is video and animation, all under video. This is it under video and animation. Okay, video and animation and whiteboard and animated explainers. This niche is hot. Trust me, this niche is hot. I can open it up and show you. Okay, whiteboard video editing too. Let me open it up and show you. There are just 11,000 services available on this particular niche. And you can see the prices. Look at the prices. That's what I'm more interested in. 50,000, $50, 145, 335, and so on. You have high earning potential on this particular niche. Okay, so please consider this niche. If you are so confused on which niche to go into, this is it. Okay, this is it. So the next one is video editing. Video editing, I can't stress this enough. The video editing is another hot niche on Fiverr. Look at it, and it has less competition too, so you don't have so many sellers that you are struggling with. Okay, there are a lot of this thing, but they are okay up to 48,000. Wow, there are so much service here. That means something is happening here. Something is happening here. Video editing, I mean, virtually every business owner needs a video editor right now. Okay, they need a video editor to edit their videos and all of those things. So go over here and please queue into this rising opportunity on Fiverr. Queue into it. And if you don't know how to edit videos, my course should teach you that. My video course should teach you that. Okay, look for a link in the description. You see a link. The first link you see in the description will be a link to my course. Okay, so if you want to learn about video editing, go take that course and come over on Fiverr and make money. Okay, so the next and the last niche or category on Fiverr you should look into is programming and tech, most especially WordPress. Please mark my words, this is one of the best niches you ever go into on Fiverr. WordPress under programming and tech. This is it, WordPress. Let's open it up. There is a lot of competition there too. A lot of competition, over 103,000. You see, there are a lot of competition. But once you're able to get your gig on the first page, trust me, you are made. Like the kind of orders you'll be getting and the kind of the kind of money you'll be making on this niche once you're on the first page is going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. So let me just open up one account here and show you. Star. This is definitely a Nigerian. 4 orders in queue, and this has just $50 for basic and $350. So you guys can see. Okay, this is not in Nigerian. So multiply how many orders? 4 by this, $200. But this is just basic, up to just 2 hours of consultation. You see, just consultation, just watch. Then the standard work starts here, $350. Do you guys see? And he has just 4 orders in queue. So do you guys see it? You guys see? So trust me, if you want this kind of results you just saw in the proof I showed you in the beginning of this video, this niche is very hot. Go learn WordPress design. Please go learn it. If you are looking for someone to teach you, a friend called Darlington Darlington, go search this guy, Darlington Okafor. Okay, Okafor on Facebook. He knows how to, he teaches WordPress design. Go message him on Facebook and he will teach you this. Okay, then come over to Fiverr and set up your gig. And trust me, do all your homework. I'm not going to teach you that. I already did that in my videos. Okay, there are so many videos on Fiverr. Okay, there are so many videos on Fiverr, these and so many of them that you can watch and learn about how to rank your videos on Fiverr. There are so many of them on my channel, so go over there and look for them. Okay, so I think I've gone to the end of this video. I've achieved my aim. At least I've showed you. Let me just keep this here for those that would like to screenshot it. Please screenshot it if you want. If you want, screenshot these. Okay, these are the hottest niche of all times. Trust me, you can take this to anywhere. These are, once you're in any of this niche and your gig is ranked, trust me, you'll be getting orders on a regular, and when you do, please charge for what you are worth. Okay, so this is Tony saying goodbye for now. Then just a subtle reminder, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. If you have your question, ask me in the comment section. I'll be very, very happy to receive your questions and answer to them. Okay, peace for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.